Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Whitney and I run the blog whitwanders.com. I'm excited today to bring you a fun holiday themed video. Note the Santa hat and the Santa sweater. Kiehls was generous enough to send me their 2019 Advent calendar, and I thought I'd do a fun little unboxing with you guys today. Now, this Advent calendar retails for $90 and it features over 24 different products from the Kiehls skincare line. Now, this is a great gift for the holidays because you have the opportunity to test out a bunch of different Kiehls products before you commit to actually buying the full-size product. So I wanted to show you this absolutely beautiful box. It has these cute little handles. How fun is this? And look at this beautiful illustration. I love the colors, very holiday-esque. And this illustration is by illustrator Janie Rowell. And it's just really beautiful and colorful. Front of the box, it features Mr. Bones, which is a Skeletor teacher that Kiehls introduced almost 165 years ago. This Advent calendar retails for $90 and it always sells out, you guys, so make sure you get this. Without further ado, let's get into this Advent calendar, shall we? Oh, I love how this pops up. It's so cute. Look at these beautiful colors, you guys. So, of course, there are 24 different boxes for us to open, representing the 24 different nights for December. So, you can start, obviously, with 1 and then go to 2, go to 3. So, I'm not going to go in order because that's going to take me too long. But I'm just going to start opening everything and putting out all the items out on the counter so you guys can see all of the goodies that are stacked into this Advent calendar. So, first up, we have the amino acid shampoo, followed by the amino acid conditioner, and then we have the ultra facial cleanser, as well as the ultra facial oil-free gel cream. We have the ultra facial toner. We have the ultra facial cream. We have one of my personal favorites, which is the creamy eye treatment with avocado. This stuff really works, you guys. And then we have the Calandra deep cleansing foaming face wash. I have the Kiehls lip balm. We have the Power Strength Line Reducing Concentrate, the Hydro Plumping Retexture Serum Concentrate, Sensitive Sea Cream, Andra Serum Infused Water Cream. I have the full-size product of this. This is great for the face. The Clear Correcting Dark Spot Solutions. So you get the Midnight Recovery Concentrate Serum in this little travel case. And then it also comes with the Botanical Cleansing Oil. We have the Midnight Recovery Eye Serum, which is amazing. The Kiehls Iris Extracting Activating Treatment Essence. We have the Super Multi-Corrective Cream. And then we have the Ultimate Strength Hand Salve. And then last but not least, you guys, how cute is this? A little holiday pin with Mr. Bones. Okay, so let's do a quick deep dive into a few of my favorite products from this 2019 Advent calendar. So these are products that I have actually tried myself. So first up is the Calandra Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. I have the full-size bottle of this and I absolutely love it. Some people don't like foaming face wash because it can be a bit drying, but I love how this feels on my skin. It always gets all of the product and the oil and the dirt from the day off, and I highly recommend it. And this is a really great travel size. My other favorite product is the Calandra Serum Infused Water Cream. You guys, this is seriously so hydrating. I use it during the summer, especially when I'm transitioning from season to season. I have the big bottle of this. It is a water-based moisturizer, so it literally feels like you're giving your skin a splash of hydration when you put it on. I absolutely love it and can't recommend it enough. One of the biggest questions I get about my skincare routine is my favorite eye cream, and I absolutely love the Kiehls Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This is absolutely amazing for your under eye. It goes on so well. You put a light dab over it. I use this regularly during my nighttime routine. It's one of my favorite skincare products from Kiehls. I just love the results I see in the morning time after I put this under my under eye. This is the product that totally got me hooked on Kiehls skincare. The Midnight Recovery Concentrate Serum has revolutionized my skincare treatment. I use this after I have cleansed and washed my face, but before my moisturizer. I add a few drops of this to my skin, and it does wonders for all of the spots and clears up my complexion so well. The other item you get is the Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. So this is a cleansing oil to help remove the day's dirt and grime and makeup. And honestly, the entire Midnight Recovery line is my absolute favorite. And so this is the Midnight Recovery Eye Cream, and both of these are honestly amazing, you guys. Combine that with the Recovery Concentrate Serum, and these are probably my favorite products in the Advent calendar, and I cannot recommend these products enough. Another product that came in the Advent calendar is a Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. This has both vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, which are great for evening out skin tone as well as addressing those fine lines around your under eyes or your forehead. I've added this into my skincare routine since I turned 30, but this is something that is a little expensive, but it's great to try out, especially in this tester product. Okay, babes, that was everything for the 2019 Advent calendar from Kiehl. I think this is such a great gift for Christmas, you guys. I really do. For $90, 24 different products for you to test and play out with is so great. And it's always great to have these tester products because you really want to make sure that this is something that's working with your skin and your skin type before you invest in a full-size product. All right, babe, so I'm also going to do a giveaway with this Advent calendar. I have so many amazing readers and I want to spoil you guys for the holidays. And so one of you will win this Advent calendar. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below on this video and tell me why you deserve this 2019 Advent calendar, and I will pick a winner from the people who have submitted the comments down below. Thank you so much, Kiehls, for sending me this. It was so fun to unbox. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have more videos coming soon to my YouTube channel, so stay tuned. But if you want to find me in the meantime, head to my blog at witwanders.com or find me on Instagram at wit_wanders, and make sure to say hello.